Bon matin, bon matin. Good morning.
Hello, hello.
So,
Morning. Morning.
morning.
The dog.
Matin. Écouteur.
Shit, on est déjà 28. Morning, peeps.
Right. You guys hear me?
Yep.
Great. Great. So, let's say ici. On va mettre ça ici. Et right here. Ça là. All right, guys. Setting everything up. All right, awesome. All right, so good morning, everyone. Bon matin. So welcome for the new people that's here for the first time. Good morning session, everyone. All right, so let's do a little breakdown here.
What?
Just gonna ask you to mute yourself, guys. All right. Asan, just please mute yourself. Thank you. All right, guys. All right, so let's do this breakdown. Guys, mute yourself. Okay, let me mute everyone. Who's that? Mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Mute. All right, should be fine now. Oh, Andrew is not mute. Let me mute Andrew, Lisa, and there we go. All right. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with the monthly. Donc, on va commencer avec le chart du mois. So, guys, if you're here for the first time, don't freak out. I'm going to bounce from French to English. So you're not going to miss anything. Don't worry. I'm going to translate everything. So looking at monthly right now, I mean, monthly last month, November closed bullish. I mean, breaking previous high, left a nice wick to be filled. And there's not a big wick at the bottom also, you know, and so now we're just starting a new month, so we don't have a lot of new indication here on this new monthly. But technically this monthly should create a bottom wick before going back up, right? So maybe the first week or so, maybe we're going to see a bearish move, okay? So that's what I forgot this morning while breaking down my stuff. On the weekly, if you look on the weekly, last week closed bullish and breaking previous high, of course. We closed bigger than this doji. This doji is like a write-off candle, right? So, but if this is a write-off candle, technically we didn't broke previous high. Donc, si c'est une chandelle qu'on ne prend pas en considération, cette daily-là d'hier n'a pas brisé le high précédent. Et so far, on n'a pas brisé le high précédent encore. Donc, est-ce qu'on va commencer à voir notre move vers le bas qu'on parlait pour le monthly? Peut-être. OK, peut-être. Mais jusqu'à maintenant, ça reste bullish. So far, it's still bullish, right? So looking at the daily. Okay, daily, you see those purple lines. Purple lines are usually my daily support and resistance. Donc, les lignes mauves sont généralement mes supports résistances en daily. Donc, see if you look at it, and this one is not only support and resistance, also the 0.750 QP. It's usually a reversal zone. Donc, c'est aussi, non seulement, c'est pas seulement une résistance, mais c'est aussi un QP pour le quarter point théorie qui est à 0.750, right? All right, so looking at the daily, we created a support here. We had a little gap here when it opened. So now we start to push up. We broke previous daily. Whoa, that's a lot of music. All right, who's playing some music? Please mute yourself. Jesus, Antoine, mute yourself. Thank you. I'm gonna mute you. Thank you. Wow. All right. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so the daily actually broke previous high, and we don't have a big bottom wick here. So technically, technically it makes sense that we should continue up. Okay, so that's why my main thinking for my previous buy unfortunately got stopped out, and I'm going to explain you why. So yeah, technically we should continue up, right? But maybe tomorrow we're going to start seeing a move down, to get that daily bottom wick and that weekly bottom wick. On the 4 hours, donc sur la 4 heures. So guys, on the daily, sorry, I forgot in French. Donc, sur le daily, on a vu qu'on a brisé le high précédent. Donc, on devrait continuer à monter techniquement. Ça devrait faire du sens. Par contre, demain ou après-demain, peut-être qu'on va voir une résistance formée en daily puis commencer le move vers le bas. All right, so now, no problem, Antoine. All right, so looking at 4 hour, we formed resistance here on the last 4 hour, but we rejected 750 hard. It tapped into 750 and closed straight back down, right? So we kind of form resistance, and we also respecting that 0.500 QP also. So that's something I missed for my previous buy analysis. And this orange line is my daily high. Donc, la ligne orange ici, c'est mon daily high. Donc, c'est le haut précédent daily. This is just for me to remember. If we break above this, and if we break and close above this, we're going up big time. All right, so looking at 1 hour, looking at H1, we create a support in the golden zone. I'm going to explain the golden zone on the 30 minute. We create support. So technically, H1 support and resistance are very, 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 very well respected usually, and see, we also respecting that QP at 0.250. So right on the dot, right? So right on the dot, we got golden zone, we got minor QP. If we break and close under this, we're going straight to 139 flat. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for sell if we break and close under this, but if not, I'm still going to be looking for buys. Donc en 1 heure, dans le fond, on a créé un support. Généralement, la plupart du temps, quand un support ou une résistance est formé en H1, ça va être très, très bien respecté. Okay? En plus de ça, on est dans le golden zone que je vais expliquer dans les 30 minutes et on respecte le minor QP, le 2.50. Okay? Donc, looking at the 30 minutes, so for people asking for the golden zone, it's really simple. It's the fib rejection. Start from bottom to top. And this is the zone between the 0.50 and the 618. Usually it's a rejection zone. So I don't base my trade on that. Remember that. I don't trade based on that, but this is a hint, you know. For me, it was a hint. It was rejected. My second hint was the 250 minor QP rejected. My only problem was the 500 that was closing right after its support. It was just the other QP was right in my face. And if you look left, this is a minor consolidation zone. I call it minor because if you look at the time, it was 10:30 to 1:30 a.m. You know, so usually there's no volume in this kind of session, so it's kind of normal. It's ranging, so that's why I didn't really consider that zone, but now it looks like it's respected, right? But I don't think it's this zone that's being respected, to be honest. I think it's the QP. So the QP is being respected. Donc, ce que j'expliquais, c'est pour le FIB. Donc, le Golden Zone, on part de en bas à en haut, au dernier, un swing low, swing high. Puis, ça va être une réjection entre le point 550 et le point 618, généralement, qui va être une zone de réjection. Et je ne base pas mon trade basé là-dessus. Par contre, ça va me donner un indice. Okay? Ça va me donner un indice qui devrait avoir une réjection. Ma deuxième indice était le point 250, qui est un QP, généralement, qui va être un point de renversement. Donc, on va changer de direction. Donc, qu'est-ce qui est arrivé? C'est que aussitôt que le 30 minutes a closé là, j'ai pris une entrée à l'ouverture de la chandelle. J'ai pris une entrée à moins 7 pips. J'ai pris une entrée à moins 9 pips et une à moins 10. OK? Donc, en faisant ça, ça faisait réduire mon risque. OK? Pourquoi? Parce que mon stop original était vraiment bas. Mon stop original était comme à 18 pips de stop ou 19 pips de stop. Donc, ma première position avait un 19 pips de stop, mais toutes mes autres avaient à peine 10 pips de stop. OK? Donc, c'est comme ça que j'ai pu réduire mon risque sur un long stop comme ça. So what I did earlier is when this candle closed bullish, like a nice engulfing, I had a huge stop, right? So it was like 19-ish pips. So what I did is I took a first entry on the opening candle, and I took one and I think it was minus 9 pip, and two at minus like 10 or so, you know. So by doing so, I reduced my risk, and my first position had a big stop, but all my others were smaller. So that's how I kind of reduced my risk. So I still think we're going to push up, to be honest. The only reason why we should continue down is if this candle close above 250. Now I'm going to start looking for sells. But I still think I was a little too early in that buy. So basically what yeah, just translate that, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, so now let's take a look at charts. So if you guys have charts, you can send it. I'm going to take a look at it. Donc, si vous avez des charts, vous pouvez les envoyer. On va regarder ça. So we got one coming from Ellie. All right, so Ellie, this is the 30-minute GJ. Two big bearish candle plus one bearish engulfing candle. Close above the resistance, then in the next candle, close again below, considering as a fake out. Entry at the next candle. SL. Oh, SLB it. Okay, perfect. BE. Okay, sorry. Secure 90%. Wow, nice. Good sell, Eddie. Good sell. Very good sell.
Yeah, thank you. I can, my entry is good, or I have a late entry.
Well, if you enter right here, where's your thing? It might be like you might be like one
Yeah,
ish or 2 pips late.
late.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But except that, I think it's good. You know, if you see that as a fake out, yeah. But it was still risky because I mean all the time frames are bullish, right? So you gotta keep that in mind. You know, all time frame is bullish. The only moment we had a bearish, it was a retracement down here. But if you look at H1, I mean H1 is trending bullish, right? So we need a drop down to continue up. For our is also trending bullish. Daily is trending bullish. So you just got to keep that in mind.
To identify whether it's going to continue down or it's going to respect that support to continue up. That's what you want to see. So basically, if you're
Please guys mute yourself, especially if you're listening to Raja. Mute yourself, guys. I don't want to hear anything.
Some sort of a support, because if it's support is
Okay, let me mute you. Okay, thank you. Abdicare. Yes.
Tu checkeras le dernier, en fait, candlestick de 4 heures. Depuis un bout, il n'y a pas eu un H4 rejection comme ça. Là.
Celle-là, tu parles?
Ouais. Ben, pas celle-là, là, mais la previous one.
Celle-là?
Elle est quand même assez intense. Tu as une rejection de 30 pips, puis le candle, il y en a 60. Il y a close de bearish en plus.
Mais c'était à 1h du mat, puis je pense que c'est quand il y a eu ça ici.
Oh, ok, damn. Parce que sur GU, que ça a fait? Ça a fake out. Là, comme là, il y a des points hauts là, à 139 800 là, environ.
Mm-hmm.
Ce que ça a fait sur GU, c'est que ça a fake out juste un petit peu en haut, puis ça a droppé en cochon. Fait que là, j'imagine un scénario quand même assez pareil, mais still bullish, comme tu dis. Fait que en ce moment, on est dans une structure bullish pareille.
Yeah, everything looks bullish, and looking at H1 still respecting previous low, right? So if we'll see how this H1 close, but so far.
Parce que ça a fait un beau support en H1 là, quand même. Là. Mais si ça se fait break,
No, so if we break this, I mean, now we're going down for sure. We're going to 139 flat, but I still think I was just a little too early in that trade. All right, so guys, if you have charts, don't be shy, send it. That's the only way you're gonna learn. Mohammed, please mute yourself. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mohamed, please mute yourself. Mohamed, peux-tu te mettre sur mute? Merci. Okay. Bye-bye. All right, so, okay, looking at this here. Yeah, we had another Pfizer vaccine news. It went up and retraced down. So I guess now vaccine news is just common, you know, it just get people excited, and after that comes straight back to normal. When people's gonna start getting the vaccine, I think now we're gonna see like huge push up.
Ben, c'est clair, parce qu'une compagnie, mettons, qui sort un vaccin, ne peut pas faire des profits sur du long terme, comme exemple Apple. Fait que tu peux pas tenir une bullish trend trop longtemps. Là, sur c'est impossible, parce qu'à un moment donné, les vaccins ils sont faits, c'est fini. Genre, ton chiffre d'affaires est fini.
Ouais, mais tu sais, je parle pour les pays, là, je parle pour les devises, ouais, ça, parce que là, c'est là que l'économie va vraiment rouvrir full force, là, tu sais.
Ben, c'est ça, c'est que c'est du scalping, là, cette histoire-là. Là.
Ouais.
C'est carrément.
So for people who's asking what we're looking for right now, it's basically we're gonna wait for candles to print in our direction, and I want to see a support being formed. This is the 30-minute. If you look at H1, support is formed here. So like I said, most of the time, 90% of the time, this will be respected. So what I did is earlier I entered on this candle, right? And looking at it, I think the only thing that I can change, I kind of hold that trade. I start closing when this candle opened, I closed like one position. I closed my highest one, and I closed the 3 others when it broke the previous low. So that's what I did. But looking at it, to be honest, I don't regret, because I mean, I would have taken this trade every day, to be honest. J'aurais pris ce trade-là à peu près à tous les jours, là. Je veux dire, the only thing though, the only thing I will keep in my journal, not the only thing, but one of the things I will keep in my mind is I need more room in between the next QP. That's the thing though. Just like this, especially that it didn't broke previously. If it had broken, okay, but it didn't broke. So I was like, so I'm gonna keep that in mind for next time.
Ton stop, il était où?
En dessous de la précédente 30. Excuse-moi. Sorry, guys. I put my stop under the previous 15. So it was right here. I said the 30 earlier, but it was right here, you know.
Okay.
And it was actually on the 30 minutes. If you look, when this candle closed, I was still respecting this. So I was like, okay. So that's why I closed when this candle, this 30 minutes started to come under this wick. So yeah, because under the 30 minute, the stop was way too big.
Ouais.
All right, getting charts from Andrew. GJ's 1 hour. Looking for sells. Okay. Wait for closed below support. Thin traffic. Yes. Yes. Like I said, I mean, if this close under 250, I mean, yes, definitely be looking for sells. So that makes sense.
We tend to go bearish. Number 2, that's going to turn the 30 minute.
Here comes Raja again.
And the sell.
Guys, can you please mute yourself? Jarex. Yeah, Raja's back in the house. Yeah, I don't want to hear anything, because I don't want to. I don't want to have a false bias, but because I listen to someone else, So I want to give you exactly on how I see the chart, not from what I heard, from Raja. So here. All right, so
écoutez pas 2 streams en même temps, c'est comme.
Non, c'est tough, là.
Marie,
je suis sûr qu'au bout de la ligne, on dit pas mal des choses qui se ressemblent.
Ouais, mais la fois où que toi et puis Raja, vous allez dire la même affaire, puis que le gars qui écoute les 2 streams écoute ça, ben là, il va doubler sa mise, puis là, il va pas mal. Ça va arriver.
C'est vrai. So, looking at this is Italian trader, and we're going to look at the 30-minute GU. All right, so resistance created in GU, closed 75% at 12 pips, input SL to BE. So you took the entry when this candle closed on the entry of this one, and you write this. That was beautiful. Beautiful trade. Resistance created. This is 1 hour. Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
Yeah, perfect.
Good trade, man. That was from Filippo. Good job, Filippo. So Andrew. Oh, same chart, right? Oh no, you put your pips. Looking for buy when bullish candle close. Resistance, yes. Yes, like you see, it's always good to have 2 plans, right? It's good to have, well, the only way that I'm gonna only looking at 1 plan is if we are majorly like bullish or bearish, but most of the time, if you're intraday or scalping, I mean, you realize that at one point the intercession will be bearish. Like this is called intercession. So this intercession might be bearish, but the main session will be bullish, right? So you got to keep that in mind. Rogers, no buy chart. I don't like the 139,500. Yeah, 139,500 is scary, but if we create a support around here, I mean, we're gonna have like 20, like almost 20 pips to 500. So should be good. And with the volume we should get into the NY open, we should break those, no problem. So yeah, maybe buys above. Yeah, that will be safer for sure. But again, you're gonna now after that you're gonna get this, you know, you're gonna get this resistance. So man, I don't know if we have some Formula One fan, but I think we're gonna get some exciting race this weekend because Hamilton is out. Hamilton's winning just every single race. It's crazy, but now he got tested positive for COVID. So I love Hamilton, to be honest. I'm a big fan, but I'm really excited because it's going to be an exciting race. So, oh well. I don't know if you saw the crash of this weekend, man.
Ben ouais.
Oh man, this guy went into a wall and the car got in flames instantly. It was insane. Everybody was in shock.
Comment il s'appelle donc?
Grosjean.
Ouais,
He's
c'est
a
ça.
guy from France. Romain Grosjean.
Il avait les mains toutes brûlées.
Ouais.
Mais c'est pas super, au moins, ça a pas. Tu sais, je veux dire, ça arrête tellement peu être pas.
Ben ouais, mais ça. Okay, now look like we're going downtown.
We are going downtown.
This is a minor support that should be broken easily. This is only on 30 minutes. So, you see, on H1 you got nothing. So, yeah, this is a pretty good sell right now. Whoa. It's pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. That's pretty, oops. That's pretty good. Let's see this zone here.
I'm crying on my run.
Yeah, man, Ellie is banking some pips on that sell. So here is how I'm gonna be journaling this for next time. So like I said earlier, I gotta keep in mind that this is usually rejected, and when it's respected, it's gonna reverse, right? So that's exactly what it did. It kind of up here, create resistance on the 0.500 and shoot back down to the next. It should go next to the next major QP, which is 139 flat. So that should be the final TP. So now, yeah, we close, I mean, under, so technically we should coming down. So now how you can try to grab this next move is wait for resistance to be formed, or you got a wick testing this zone, coming back and take an impulse when it breaks a previous low. So that's the two option. And yeah. So it looked like it's going. Oh my God. So if you took that impulse, secure some profit already. So it was like a 2-second trade. So hopefully someone caught that. And if you did, man, that was nice. You know, already like what, 7 pips in profit already. So, and barely no drawdown. And TP it. Boom, 139 it. All right. Wow.
Shit.
So that was a quick one.
Hein?
That was a pretty quick one. To be honest, I was about to execute and it moved too fast. It moved too fast. I wasn't able to execute.
Attends, moi non plus, man. C'est si bol.
So now wait, guys. Now just wait. So, all right, let's remove this golden zone because clearly this hasn't been respected. Boom. Adios. All right. So now the next play. Donc, la façon qu'on aurait pu catcher ça, c'est avec un retest de wick vers le haut de cette minor zone-là. Puis quand il brise le previous low, prendre une entrée. OK? Il n'y a pas eu un gros retest, pour être honnête. C'est pour ça que je n'ai pas eu le temps d'exécuter. Mais pour ceux qui ont réussi à le faire, ben, vous avez eu votre 10 pips. On a frappé le TP à 139 even. Puis, that's it, you know? So, Ellie, you're pretty happy right now, right?
No, my stop loss hit at break even.
Oh,
I'm crying, man. I'm crying.
No. So you see now, that's why I said wait, guys. Okay, because this 139 even, we need to close under to continue the sales, right? Because this can be rejected, you know. This is a major level. So don't try to sell the low, especially that it's been falling now. So I mean, just wait. Just wait. Vincent, grabé 13 pips, close à 75%. Nice job. Grab 13 pips and close 75% on that move. That's pretty good. So now it looks like this 139 even looks like it's going to be rejected right now. All right, all right. So let's take a look at gold. Gold, baby, gold. Huh. Wow. Looking at gold. I know I got some chart on IG about gold. Someone was in a buy.
That was me.
Oh, here we go. And look at this here. Wow, man, it's trending hard. When gold is trending, man, it's beautiful. It makes some crazy ass move. Oh, did you got this candle? You caught this candle? That's 6 a.m.?
I got in hold on. $17.92.22. And I closed at 18.05.
Oh, so you got in on the 5 minute, right?
No, if you look left, there's a hourly resistance further left.
Hourly resistance. This one? This resistance?
Back to the
Can you send me back your chart? I want to take a look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here is, I mean, this is 4 a.m. Yeah. The only entry possible for me, because I was not awake after this, would be on the 5 minute. After this creator minus support, I mean, getting into this candle. would be my only way to catch this move. Because, I mean, after that, it was just straight bullish, right? So yeah, the only play here for me was here on this opening candle. And that's the only pair that I'm going to be looking at 5 minute and 15 minute. It's gold. Because all the rest, I don't. Well, I mean, if you trade US 30, but I don't even back this US 30. So, but yeah, gold is moving so fast that you have kind of no choice to look to lower time frames. Yeah, that was a pretty big move on gold, man. How many pips is that? Just curious. Wow. That's a lot of pips. That's pretty cool. Let's go back to GJ. Oh, hold on. We got some US. Who trades? Oh, no, it's GCAD. No. USD CAD, you guys trade. UCAD. UCAD, baby, UCAD. What time is it now? It's 7 a.m. Okay, look at, just take a look at GJ for a sec. Okay, so this. All right, so, oh, this is the 5 minute, sorry. All right, so looking at H1 is rejecting hard 139, like I said, you know. So you got to wait for this on the 30 minute. Yeah, it looks like a good plan, Mark. Coming back to the 250 QP, that would be amazing. Create resistance there and continue to move down. Yeah, especially at 4 hour right now. I mean, it broke solid previous low on the H4. So that next 4 hour candle should continue bullish, right? So that's how you look at intersession direction, you know, so. But coming to the chart earlier, this H4 didn't broke previous low yet. So that's why I was still thinking that we were going bullish. So it is what it is. Zane Gabriel. That's our Gabriel number 2. So this is GJ, 30 minute. Looking for support to form. Buys back up to 139.077. Looking for support to be formed. Oh, around here. Okay. I see. Yes. Yes. Yes, if we don't break this, yes, there's a huge chance we're going to reverse up. Oh, is he talking about the same impulse? Oh, he's talking about impulse buy. That's funny. Okay, guys, please mute yourself, especially if you're listening to Raja, because I don't want to be confused. Thank you very much. Donc, ce que j'expliquais tantôt sur le 4 heures, c'est très simple, c'est que souvent, on peut regarder sur le 4 heures pour avoir la direction de l'intercession. OK? No problem, Kesson. So, si tu regardes la 4 heures a brisé le previous low, donc ça nous donne une bonne indication que cette chandelle-là de 4 heures devrait continuer bearish. But we have this major support on H4. On a cette support majeur-là en H4 qui devrait techniquement être respecté. Okay? Donc, après ça, on devrait revoir un move vers le haut. If we break this, it's definitely a change of direction. Donc, si on brise ça, c'est définitivement un changement de direction majeur. Mais si on respecte ça, on va probablement bounce back up. So it all depends on what you're looking for. Depends if you're looking for swing trade, intraday, scalping, you know, it all works the same at the end. The strategy that we use, zone to zone, support resistance, it applies to swing trade, intraday, and scalping. The only difference is going to be which time frame you're going to base yourself on. That's it. You know. Did you take any trades, Sasha? Yes, I did a buy earlier that didn't work because I think I was a little early. And the other point is I was right in the face of that quarter point, you know, so I'm going to keep that in mind for next time. But yes, so I took a buy like right here because it was right. We created support right in the golden zone. We respected rejecting 250. I was pretty sure we were coming back up, but 500 is pretty strong. So yeah. So you know what? I was risking 3.25%. And if I look at my thing on Magic Key, lost 2.10. So still good.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Mine goes really well. Nice.
Yeah, so you gotta manage those, you know. And I'm okay, you know, losing this trade because like I said, this kind of setup, I would have taken this setup every day. So I don't regret anything. The only thing, like I said earlier, is this. I'm gonna keep that in note that next time I have an entry just like right in the face of major QP like this, I'm gonna be more careful.
Yeah. To be honest,
Charts in the chat, Sasha.
Qu'est-ce qui t'arrive? What happened?
He just spoke while I was speaking, so I'll keep quiet.
No. Just say it. Just say it.
Nah, yeah, I'm saying I took the same buy as you, but
okay.
I waited a little bit for the half an hour to like retrace back, because the one that closed bullish had a tiny little wick to like no wick top. But when it retraced a bit, I entered the buy as well. But my mistake, I think I was looking at the 1 hour. The 1 hour was still open, while the when the bullish half an hour closed with no top wick, 1 hour was still open.
Yep.
So it was still kind of like open and just trying to push down again, and I was like, oh, yeah. I just quickly go out quickly, you know. So I lost like maybe 4 pips or 5 pips or something.
Yeah, that was also my thing is when I got in on that 30 minute. I don't know for why, but for a reason I really thought that this was already closed as bullish, creating support. And when I came back to H1 and see this candle moving, I'm like, oh, wait a minute, this freaking candle's not closed. What time is it? Just like I was still sleepy, I guess. But after that, when this closed bullish, creating support, that's why I kind of hold my trade, because I was like, okay, this should be respected, right? But it didn't.
That was my exactly. So as soon as I saw it, the 1 hour was not closed. I was like,
so it is what it is. Oh, Ken, please just mute yourself.
Let's say I'm closing.
Thank you very much.
Mais le momentum qu'il y avait ici, t'as pas fait peur?
Non.
Parce que tu break un support après avoir hit une résistance.
Justement, on a créé un nouveau high. On va créer un support pour retester le nouveau high.
OK.
Puis spécialement on rejetait le minor QP ici à 2,50. On était dans un fib rejection aussi.
Minor QP, tu veux dire?
Le point 2,50. C'est un minor QP. Quarter point.
Ouais, OK.
Fait que si tu regardes, là, check la ligne bleue qui est là, le point 250, comment il est respecté.
Ouais.
Regarde le point 500, comment il est respecté. Regarde le point 750, comment il est respecté. Fait que souvent, ça va être des rejection zones. Puis comme de fait, il l'a rejeté ici solidement. Fait que c'est pour ça que tout pointait pour qu'on change de direction, tu sais. Avec un support vraiment fort qui était engulfing en plus. Je pense que ça faisait du sens qu'on ait juste un retracement down pour continuer vers le haut, là, tu sais. Que si tu regardes jusqu'à maintenant, on est encore, tu sais, on est encore bullish sur le 30 minutes. Si tu regardes le 1 heure, on est encore bullish. Tu comprends? On fait un trend bullish présentement. So if you guys have a hard time looking at how the trend is trending, I mean, I don't draw trend lines, but I mean, this just to give you an idea that we are, we were trending up, okay? So basically, and again, I don't use trend line because this is so subjective, and you can place it like, okay, right on those, okay, no, I'm gonna put here, you know. This is just an indication to see, are we going up or going down, you know? I don't trade with that. But so far, we still creating higher highs, higher lows. So, I mean, but of course, if this comes and break this low, now it's going to be a change of direction, you know? So. Oh, un petit peu de WD-40 sur cette porte-là, peut-être?
C'est une chaise. Shit.
Okay, Gary. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't see the chart coming. Yuri. All right, so Yuri, we got the 30-minute GJ here. Okay, so break the support. This one, entry, close 80%, 10 pips. Here we go. That's exactly what we just talked earlier. That's good job, man. Good catch. Quick in and out, quick scalping, bim boom. Thank you very much. So that's pretty good, man. Let's take a look at Gary. Gary, this is gold. Oh, yeah, this is the gold chart we're talking about. Okay, so broke and close above resistance. Oh, this one here on 60 minutes. Okay, I just want to go take a look at it. Boom, 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 boom. Whoops. Gold. 60 minutes. 60 minute. Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, so this one. Yeah, makes sense. Boom. Right here, you pro. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, it's very good, man. Enter when Harley candle flipped and broke previous candle high. Oh, okay, so you didn't enter right on the, okay. And close full edge resistance. Oh man, that's a huge, man, you got that old move, man. That's good. Yeah, that's good, Gary.
Yeah, clean traffic to the neck.
Yeah, no, definitely. This is super nice. Super nice clean traffic. Now it's gonna get into trouble city right here. This is trouble city. This is Walking Dead city, you know. Man, I'm watching Walking Dead these days with my girlfriend. It's, man, shit, that shit's crazy. I feel like we're living in Walking Dead right now with COVID. I think people is gonna get the vaccines, gonna transform into no, I'm joking. Oh. I think your baby wants to talk. I think your baby's saying, yeah, it's a good thing you closed, Daddy. Good thing. Good thing you closed that trade. All right, so now let's get back to GJ. Oh, salut tout le monde. Ça fait un bon moment que j'ai pas tradé. No time with work. Est-ce que c'est Yuva, ça? Re-bienvenue. Bienvenue à nouveau. Sorry, chart here. Oh, that's Gary. Okay. Andrew. GJ. Andrew, that's the same chart, no? Oh, broke support, close below. Enter here, close here. Yeah, that was a quick in and out. Yeah, on the 60-minute. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. On the 60, on the 1 hour. Oh, broke here, close. Okay, I see. Very nice. Andrew's catching pips. Andrew, are you back on live now? Thanks for the stream. Have a nice day, guys. See you Thursday. Yes, Filippo. Thank you very much for coming. See you Thursday. So it look like we're rejecting hard now. 139 even. We got 8 minutes left into this candle. So now what I want to see, it's either, resistance form and to continue to move back down. Oh, to be honest, to be safe, I want to see a close under 139. Yeah. But if we create a resistance right here, yeah, no, that's way too tight. Yeah.
Yeah, Sasha, I was gonna say I did take a sell with lower risk.
On this?
No, based on the 15-minute when it closed below the 1 hour support. After like making a little bullish candle, now a bit higher, like 125. So when it broke that 225 to 250.
Yep.
Yeah, and it closed below 250. I just walked it and I waited for the wick up top. And it took time, but when it flipped, I just entered there with like a lower risk. And
what was the entry?
Entry was 242.
242.
Yeah, 242 and I closed.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, I closed around 20 pips.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Obviously, I lowered my risk, so it was not too much. But I made up the 4 pips that I lost before.
Here we go. Good job, man.
Yeah, it was just my setup. Obviously, I saw something I've seen before, but because I changed my bias quickly, I decided to like lower risk a bit because I was.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Right now, since I already have a loss, my second attempt, I want to make sure I put all the chance on my side to get a win. So I'm going to be very picky on the setup,
100%.
I'm done for today. I send you IG with extra details, why and what could be better. All right, Andrew. I'm going to be updating also. Yeah, I need to do that right now because I'm going to run out of space on my cloud right now. So give me 1 sec. Just realized that it's not going to work. Okay, so I guess this. And this. And this. And let's delete that now. Gonna wait. This one already downloaded, right? Yes. Yeah, so now what I'm doing, someone suggested for me to post those live session and simulation into YouTube since I don't have a lot of space on my cloud. So I just created my channel. I mean, it was there before. I had some old stuff on there, but I mean, I never really used YouTube. So now I'm going to be posting those live session and simulation on there. So, wow, man, my computer is so slow. What's going on? God damn. Oh, who's listening to Kessin? Yeah, just mute yourself. No problem.
Yeah.
So yeah, so where can I go to? Oh gosh. So yeah, guys, if you want to see all the recaps, now you just need to go to this channel. The link is in my IG bio. So I posted 2 yesterday, and today I'm gonna post the rest. So today I'm gonna post the rest. I also did a little funding talent review, but today I'm gonna do a video about my journey with funding talent, because I mean every single day I receive question about that. Like, are they good? I mean, did you got money? So I'm gonna do a video, and that's gonna be answering all those questions. So yeah, so I'm gonna start putting stuff on that channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and maybe sometimes we're gonna do some live session streaming on YouTube. I don't know. We'll see. So now let's get back to this.
I watched the last video when you are celebrating on YouTube. What is that? What is that?
Oh yeah, those one?
Yes.
Yeah, that one was that was back then. Yeah, like you see, it's like 11 years old. That was when I was doing MLM, and I achieved one of the highest position in the company. It was called regional vice president. And yeah, it was a huge hustle, huge hustle in my life. This is something that made me who I am today. This is exactly. I mean, I learned so much in that journey about personal growth, about being a leader, about so much stuff in life, and certainly the most important things about never giving up. Never giving up on your dreams and goals. So I mean, just hustle hard, put the work in, and yeah, so ouais, Phil, j'ai fait ancienne pendant 6-7 ans. Je donnais les formations, il n'y a rien que je faisais pas. Ouais, je l'ai fait hard. And that's actually the thing, because I got a business. I got a business when I was young. I had a speed shop, right? So it's a place that we modified cars, and we were in the trend that Fast and the Furious was cool, So we were modifying a lot of cars, and I was doing good money with that. So I decided to open my paintball field, and don't forget, I was like 22 years old. So at 22 years old, I had 2 businesses. So I had a paintball field also. And when you're young, sometimes you don't sign contracts and you're not very careful about anything. So I didn't sign anything on the lease. And anyways, so long story short, the owner came back a year later. He see that I'm doing good with the paintball field. So he kind of pushed me out. And I end up with nothing. I got stolen all my guns, all my equipment. So basically, now I was 23 and minus $43,000 in my bank account. And the bank at one day came, seized my car because I was not able to make the payments. Condo was being seized. I mean, just like shit hit the fan, So I mean, so it was a very, very hard time at that moment. And at that moment, I was like, it's either, I just fell on the ground, and I can, I had some dark thinking, you know. I actually thought about suicide, you know. I thought about like all kind of stuff because I was in a very, very dark moment. And this company brought me some hopes, you know, because I was like, all right, I saw those people making money, so I'm sure I can make it. So I hustled hard, and I was able to pay all my debt and bought myself a BMW 650 M package. I mean, bought a Mercedes. I mean, I was being retarded, you know, because when you're young and suddenly making all that kind of money, you're just dumb, you know, you're just dumb. So I was buying all kind of shit. I had a Breitling $16,000 Breitling, you know, a watch, and the Breitling watch, $16,000 Breitling watch. I was like, and at one point I had to sold it to be able to pay the mortgage on my house. You know, it's just like when you're young and you're making money quick, man, you start to be stupid. So please, guys, if you're making good money with Forex right now, just be smart with your money, man. Be fucking smart with your money. That's why now you don't see me doing flashy stuff. You know, I bought myself a nice pickup truck, but I'm not interested into Ferraris or Lambos. You know, I'm interested into an RV. You know, I'm getting old. You know, just like, you know, invest into your house. You know, invest into real estate. I mean, cars is just like, I don't know. It's just a waste of money. It's so dumb, man. If when thinking about it, the money I did some very good money, and the money I had, I mean, if I wouldn't invested into real estate, I would be laughing today. I would be laughing, but I was dumb instead. So that's okay. You know, you gotta learn, right? The important thing now is I know. Now I know, you know. So now I know the value of money. That's why I'm super, super tight with my money now. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend that for shit, dude. If I can get a deal, fuck yeah, I'm getting a deal. I'm a cheap ass dude. I don't know if I'm cheap. I think I'm just smart. But that's not true. I'm not smart. I'm just wise. Yeah, wise is the right word. Nice RAM. Yeah, thanks, man. I love my RAM, man, bro. To be honest, the interior of that truck, man, like I said, I had a very high-end BMW. For guys who doesn't know what's an M package on a 650, I mean, go take a look. It's crazy. I had an Audi, Mercedes, Cadillac. Yeah, that's about it. And to be honest, this truck has the nicest interior of all of them. It's just like it's so sick, so sick. Ancienne, c'est intense. Ouais, non, ça a été très, 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 très intense, man. Ben, ça peut pas être plus intense qu'Amway, là, by the way. Mais, parce qu'Amway, c'est fucking intense. Mais il y avait beaucoup, ils ont pris beaucoup de Amway, tu sais, je veux dire, tout le personal growth, toutes ces affaires-là, ça a été beaucoup dupliqué de Amway. Tu sais, Amway, ça reste quand même un pilier dans l'industrie du marketing de réseau, là. Mais, ouais, ancienne...
C'est quelle t'as fait avec Max?
Ancienne.
Okay. C'était ça la vidéo? J'essaie de trouver ton fucking compte YouTube.
Le lien sur mon IG. Mais si tu fais Sacha FXDog, il devrait sortir, non? Whoa. That's weird. Okay, now I see. If you type my full name, yeah. I guess. Yeah, but let me plug my AirPods. Where's my... All right, so let's get back to it now. We got a chart from, oh man, you give me hope. Thanks, Eli. Yeah, man, there's always hope. When you got Man, we're live. I mean, yeah, just think about all the good things. And yeah. Zane Gabriel. This is EJ. EJ is ranging. Close above this level, looking at buys to, yeah, let's take a look at EJ. Let's take a look at EJ. EJ moves so slow, man. It's crazy. All right, so this is the 30 minutes go to 1 hour. So we got this. We got this here. All right. This is on H1, 30 minute. This, woo, rangy. And you got this here. Yeah, definitely like break and close above like 124,950, which is, yeah, definitely 124,950. Be careful. Close above, yes. Yes, and you're majorly bullish, so yeah, that should be fine. Of course, I mean, if you're coming back, if you're breaking here, if you're breaking like 124,785, start looking for sells. Quelqu'un qui a du background noise, c'est... Je sais pas c'est qui. Oh. Merci. Okay, so now let's see. Now we're back to GJ. Let's see what we got now. It's 7:30. This last 30 minutes closed bearish under this zone, this minor zone, right? Because if you look at H1, I mean, there's not much. Looking at 15 minute, I mean, this is the minor zone. I don't really look at 15 minutes because I think it's a very weak confirmation time frame. I prefer to stick with 30 and H1. Man, since I started to look at H1 more, man, my win ratio is so better, man. H1 in 30 minutes. Oh yeah. To the roof. So far we're still, you see that last 30-minute candle rejected 139 even. So right now we need to be very careful on this. We gotta wait. We got to wait. Okay, so now I can delete my stuff. Okay, so now let's delete this, and this. Make room for boom. Thank you. Here we go.
Good afternoon, Sasha. Do you execute on the 1 hour?
I do execute on 1 hour sometimes. Yes.
So
yeah. If you
on 1 hour.
Yes, I do. If you look at there's a couple trades that hold on. I think that was last week. Was it? Actually played out very well. You see? Analyze on H1 and executed on H1.
And you use the same analysis you do on the 30
Yeah,
minutes?
same analysis, you know. It was just so messy on 30 minutes because if you look at it, if you look on 30 minutes, it was what's this one? Oh, it's not this trade though. It's not this trade that was messy, but as I had another trade, it was so messy on 30 minutes that I had to walk to take a look on H1. But looking at H1 here, I mean, we formed a resistance here on H1, form resistance. So yeah, and it was right in the. That's why I wrote here GZ plus price action, because we created kind of resistance here in H1 and executed on this candle. You know. So. I'm missing one thing here. I didn't put my entry. I just realized I didn't put my entry, but I write it here. So yeah. So yeah, sometimes I do execute on H1. And the idea stays the same. The idea stays the same because I mean it's just a high time frame, you know. I mean candles, it's even not better, but safer kind of, you know. Because of course the higher time frames you get, more confirmation you get, right? So and people would say, yeah, but if it's the case, why not executing on 4 hours? The only reason is because I don't have the patience to wait for 4 hours. That's the only reason, you know. So
if you're executing on the 1 hour, doesn't that mean that your stops wouldn't they be higher?
Yes and no, because you can still put your stop above or under the previous 30. Like earlier, what I did, I executed on the 30 minute. I took an entry on that 30 minute. And since the stop was too big, I decided to place my stop under the previous 15. So I put it right here. You know, so that's something you can take a look at also. But you got to keep in mind though, last week I got stopped out because of that, and the price went my way after that. So you're gonna be very careful. But this was a pretty big stop, so I was pretty confident it was respected, you know. And you see this candle kind of respected because my stop was right here, and it's the next two candle who broke it. So yeah, so even if you execute on H1, it depends on how big's the stop. But let's say that I don't know, let's say that you want to sell based on this candle, let's say. Okay, this stop is I don't know, this stop is like 30-ish pip, right? So if you say, okay, perfect, let's take this entry right. Let's put the entry right here, okay, just for fun. Let's go back on 30 minute now. So now instead you can say, okay, I can place my stop above right here. So you're going to be like a 9-ish, 10 pip-ish stop, okay? So you're going to place your stop right above this wick. And technically it's good because you're not expecting price to come back and breaking this minor zone again. So it gets you a tighter stop and you can execute. So hopefully answer the question. And yeah. All right, Sasha, I've got to go. I've got to go out to get the other little one from school. Okay, I'm staying logged in, but won't be here. All right, no problem, Gary. Hopefully, I'll be back before a move happens. All right, take care. Drive safe. Don't look at your MT4 while driving, especially if you have kids with you. You know, so man, we're being very patient right now. Being very patient. So I forgot to post my first loss. I'll post it later. Oh, got some IG coming in. Okay. Boom. Oh, thanks, Hassan, for the post, for the tag. Yeah, Andrew, I'm going to go through your message later on. Oh, yeah. Oops. There we go. Boom. All right. All right. Thank you for today. We'll go offline. All right, take care, Andrew. Nice catch, buddy. Secure the bag and run. That's really important, guys. If you got one win or two, I mean, get the hell out of here. I mean, if you just want to hang out, that's fine, but close your MT4. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and if you're asking about like where to get all the links, I got one link with all the links on my Instagram. It's right here. So I know I get those questions a lot, so you just click on my ugly face here and you wait for here the link. All right, so right here, this link, click on this and you got everything you need. All right, so you got the Telegram group, the new YouTube channel, access to my trading journal, shop for your Forex swag and order magic key, my broker affiliate link, which is with the Blackpool Market, and Funding Tat affiliate link. So everything you need is in here. And I don't know if some of you took advantage of that Funding Talent promo, but I mean, I don't think it's still on, but they had a Black Friday. It's probably gone by now. Yeah. It was like Cyber Monday. I can't remember what it was, but they were basically waiving your first monthly fee, plus you were getting double of your earnings. So it was a pretty good promo. Party like it's November. I like the title here. Stocks are still partying like it's November.
Peux-tu regarder mon chart, Sash?
You? Oh, Phil. Sorry, man. Sorry, dude.
C'est pas grand-chose, juste.
All right, Phil.
C'est un peu comme le trade de tantôt.
Okay.
Je pense dire qu'il va break.
Tempted to take an impulse entry on the break of the low with New York push. Yes, it's 8. La seule affaire qui me dérange, c'est que j'ai peur que ça soit encore rejeté, ça. C'est la seule affaire. Si c'était pas de ce key level-là, probablement que je le ferais. Mais c'est ce que je pense. Là. Ouais, peut-être pas tant que ça, là. Hey, oh, calm down there.
Crush my dreams.
You just crushed Phil's dreams. So basically, Phil was saying probably he's tempted to take an impulse if we break this low with the NY push. Yes, but this key level, I don't know, man. I just keep thinking that it's going to be rejected. So, and we got this support right here also. So, I mean, it's really tight right now. So, man, sells at this point is only valid for break and close under this support right here. That's the only way I'm going to be looking at sells right now. Because right now, selling, it's trying to sell the low. I mean,
Yeah.
so
C'est tellement slow là.
I know all the volume was there, so now we gotta wait for more volume. I still think we're gonna push up.
Le gars, il a de l'espoir.
He wants to give his buys a second chance.
Yeah.
Well, man, I mean, so far, I mean, we're still respecting this. I mean, if we're still respecting this low here, we're going up, you know? So, I mean, we're creating, look, I mean, that's the only reason. But of course, if we start breaking this, that's going to be a major change of direction.
Yeah.
But I still think we needed a drop down to continue up. So. But again, I'm not saying there's no sells. Sell is going to be valid under this zone.
Yeah.
So, but until then.
Ouais, 11h15, on devrait avoir un setup là.
But until then, I'm still looking for buys at one point, you know. The sells was right here, you know, on this candle. Like where Ellie got it, you know, on those candles. That was good. But I was in the opposite way. Wow, check la rejection de la daily, man.
Ouais. Pas de week en plus à son ouverture.
I draw a Fibonacci against you in the sell in 13 minutes. If you draw a Fibonacci against the trend from the high to the down.
Like this, you mean?
Up. Before it's no. I will send. Yes, Mark.
I got you, mate.
Oh, before the okay, I see.
Yeah, before the.
Yeah, but you never use a fibs against the trend. You know, fibs will always work good when you're trending and when you're using. If you're using the fibs against a higher time frame trends, it's not gonna work well. Most of the time, it's gonna get not respected. That's why sometimes I mostly draw it on 30 minutes, but when I look at H1, it's usually more clean. You know, so on H1 and 30 minute was the same, I think. Yeah, pretty much. You know, so it was right here. So right on the dot. Check this, Steve. Okay, Steve, on va checker ça. Not the same zone with other brokers. I don't know.
Ça dépend si c'est Wanda ou FXCM.
Ouais, c'est ça. I got the same zone on.
Sur FXCM, c'est plus un petit fake out, genre il va plus bas. Genre, il vient, genre, ici.
Oups. I see.
Fuck Wanda, man, pire broker sur la terre.
Ouais, Wanda, man, Wanda, c'est la plaie, là, je veux dire.
Levier d'1,30 avec 6 pips de spread.
Oh, Wanda, c'est fait pour les gens qui aiment ça se faire violer, man.
Ah, ouais, genre. Courir après le trouble.
Ok.
Oh shit, le chat, man, il flex.
Avec FTMO.
Il s'appelle-tu Sushi?
Non, il s'appelle.
Ouais, le problème avec FTMO, mon problème, c'est que quand je l'ai essayé avec je capotais, man. Et je capotais parce que j'avais jamais les mêmes affaires sur les charts. Puis c'est là que j'ai commencé à freaker avec FTMO parce que j'ai fait comme, OK, c'est leur propre broker, ils peuvent le contrôler, ils peuvent le manipuler. Je suis comme, surtout que c'est un démo account, ils peuvent faire ce qu'ils veulent. Là. Fait que c'est là où j'ai commencé à capoter avec FTMO parce que je te dis, j'avais jamais les mêmes choses là, que tout le monde. Puis j'étais comme, wow, puis je me faisais sortir de mes trades. Puis j'ai fait comme, non, tu sais quoi, j'aime pas ça, tu sais. Puis encore une fois, je dis pas qu'ils sont pas legit, je dis pas, je veux pas parler de mal, mais moi, c'est une des red lights que j'ai eues. C'est pour ça que j'ai commencé à checker pour d'autres compagnies. Puis c'est une des raisons que je parle pas souvent parce que je veux pas faire de merde, là. Mais c'est une des raisons qui a fait que j'ai commencé à checker pour d'autres choses.
Yeah. Le problème avec FTMO, c'est que ça commence par F puis ça finit par TMO. C'est ça le problème.
Oh my god.
C'est oh mon Dieu, je peux pas croire. Guys, even if I translate that, it's
No, don't worry about it. Don't do it.
just stupid shit. So trust me, you don't want to hear that.
Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're mourir. Qu'est-ce
Oh, il y a des différences sur chaque broker, absolument, mais quand je t'ai dit que je faisais avec FTMO, c'était majeur, là, les différences que je voyais, puis c'était vraiment intense. Tu sais, mettons, là, j'ai Black Bull, puis j'ai Vantage puis Black Bull l'un à côté de l'autre. Tu sais, je veux dire, oui, il y a des mini-différences, mais sont majoritairement très similaires. Avec FTMO, souvent, je me retrouvais avec des affaires qui n'avaient juste comme aucun rapport. Des fois, c'était ridicule.
Ton broker, là, mettons que tu check Wanda, puis ton broker, il n'est pas supposé avoir une grosse différence. Là.
Non, c'est ça.
Oh shit, on va farm support.
Yeah, man. Oh, H1. H1 is closing. H1 is closing.
Bullish. Ça, là, c'est exactement le fucking setup de hier.
Ouais.
Close doji, break le high, push de 30 pips.
Oui.
It's getting interesting now.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get a
And we're closing back in this range.
Malade, je viens de manquer mon setup.
Let me open calc here.
Oh. Close with no wick.
No
top
wick. Obviously.
Sure, par exemple, on a close both doji.
H1 was good, though.
Yeah, H1 is good, man.
Yeah.
I'm getting a small entry here.
Sasha, you took one the other day without top wake on the 40 minute.
Correct. So that's why I'm pretty confident that this rejection should give fuel to this trade.
C'est direct comme
It's a retracement on the 1 hour, so.
Yep.
But no down wick.
I'm waiting for a down wick to be formed.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I enter only one position, so I'm waiting to enter some more. But right now, I'm running like at 4 pips.
Oh. Yo, boy, ain't fucking around. Ben, on a des targets de genre 50 pips, là. Show me.
Yeah, my final TP on this for runners, probably gonna be like around like 1.
Jeez, t'es déjà à 29 pips.
Ouais, j'étais à 7 pips. 6 pips.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
What?
Yep.
without downwake, man.
Yep.
Come
10
on.
pips.
Don't
That's
do
why.
this to
That's
me.
why I always take 1 and 3 when it opens,
Oh man.
because sometimes you just don't get that
Yeah.
retracement.
No, this is a tough zone we're going into.
Hey, yeah.
But this needs to be broken. That 250.
Yeah. In order to go up higher. Well, that was quick.
And if it
I'm
starts
closing my-
rejecting,
Yeah.
now I'm gonna be not happy.
Quick. Hey, j'étais en train de placer mon buy stop. Paf, ça a défoncé trop big.
Bang, bang.
Ah, man. Là, c'est parti sans moi. Le train est parti sans moi. Bye bye.
Oh non, le train est décollé, là, je te dirais.
Bye
Ah,
bye.
tu vas
Especially
arrêter
that
ta
now
petite
we entering the
Weird push.
New York open push, so
Bye bye.
Au revoir, mon ami.
10 pips hit. T'as mis ton partial à 10 ou à plus haut?
11.
Oh, tabarouette, on se gâte aujourd'hui, on se donne un pip de plus.
Ouais, monsieur. Ouais, monsieur.
Quand un pip, c'est 100$, man, tu commences à y penser en crise.
C'est ça qui arrive, ça.
That was a nice catch for Sasha.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks.
For those who catch this, good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
And for the other, keep waiting.
Yeah. No impulse.
No FOMO.
Yeah, but we still didn't broke that 250 though.
Yeah.
I'm still worried. But we broke previous highs, so technically, I mean, we should continue up. But this zone is painful.
Can be just a retest. So.
Un genre de break, pullback pour aller retest le low. Ouais.
Looks like this zone was melt and broke it easily.
Yeah.
Now we're going back down. I don't like it. But we still didn't create a bottom wick, right? It's always scary when you start pushing very hard into your direction at first.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mais comme hier, ça a fait exactement la même shit, puis on a... Ah non, c'est vrai, hier, on a retrace quand même
No,
deep.
Ouais.
Ouais. It's a nice wick down and then up.
Come on, GJ.
T'as pas été PTP?
Non, il manquait 2 pips.
Oh shit.
Au pire,
Okay.
break even, puis il rentre plus bas.
Ouais, je pense que c'est ça que je vais faire.
PM Johnson says believe restriction will be needed until spring for coronavirus in UK.
Ah oui.
Ouais.
C'est qui ça, PM Johnson?
Dude.
C'est Taouin.
Oh shit. Is this the resistance we needed for shorts?
Oh.
Yeah.
Si je plotte un fib, ça fait quoi? Aïe, c'est dans Golden Zone pour short en plus.
I'm gonna close that break even.
Yeah, good call.
C'est pas une
This one.
facile matinée.
No.
C'est quand même mieux que du range, though.
Ça, c'est vrai. Ça, c'est vrai.
UCAD is not moving either, hein, Marc?
Non, il fait que dalle. Que dalle. Juste.
Market is so shitty today.
Yeah. It's not
December.
exciting.
Premier du mois aussi, là.
First of the month, exactly.
Yeah.
Mais
We gotta settle down a bit.
ça fait, si tu mets sur le 1 heure, là, sur GG, tu peux voir que t'es vraiment sur un bullish trend, là. Genre, vraiment, vraiment.
Yeah.
Oh ouais, non, c'est pour ça que je te dis ça
c'est
depuis tantôt.
clean.
Ouais. Non,
Like
c'est
higher
Tu sais,
low.
comme là, ça serait vraiment l'endroit parfait pour recommencer le move up, là.
Yeah. It's a higher
Ça,
low.
On aurait juste besoin d'un downwick pour aller pogner du gaz un peu.
Ouais, mais là, c'est la seule affaire qui me gosse, là, présentement. Mais je voulais closer puis je l'ai gardé parce que je pense à mon trade d'hier ou avant hier, je pense. Because I had a trade similar to this. I think it was yesterday, yes. It was yesterday because Raja was like, man, how you got that? And I was like, yeah, because I woke up, man. So if you look here on the 30-minute, look at this candle. It's kind of the same setup, right? Went up, we had a huge drop down. We created support with no top wick. And I entered right here and took 3 more when it came down and pushed back up. So that's the only difference, though.
I'm gonna FOMO.
Oh!
Non.
Mais tu sais, en même temps, c'est un risque, tu peux...
J'ai juste une position, no?
Ouais, c'est ça.
So right now I only have one position, so I don't, like, I'm risking like 0.0 something, you know?
Jimmy, tu vas FOMO dans quoi, Gio?
Ouais, non, mais c'est pas vrai. Là, je suis déjà à 9 pips de distance de mon entry.
Oh, forget it. Oublie ça.
Le gars, il rentre 10 pips en retard. Hop.
Non.
Bon, let's go. Create a bottom wick. Break le low. Short. Et c'est bon. Just chilling.
Travaille pas ce matin, Marc?
Hein?
Travaille pas?
Je me dis que m'aller faire mon lunch puis me préparer un café puis dip. C'est pas grave, me rendre à la job, ça me prend genre 10 minutes.
Nice, c'est cool ça.
Pas de trafic, est-ce pas rien. Dans le nord, là, pas le petit chemin.
Thanks, Mayar.
Ciao, bye.
I'm not the best, but I'm trying to be.
Oh!
Facts. Big facts.
Trying to be better every day. That's the goal. You see, we got our bottom wick now. Okay, let's go back up now.
Bullish mode activated.
Yeah, seriously.
Bon, moi, je vais activer le architecture mode parce que mon chèque, il rentrera pas sinon. Bon, ben, on se revoit jeudi, boys. Faites attention à vous autres. Take care, everybody. Trade safe, no FOMO. Peace.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, Mark.
Sasha, did you manage to grab something from this?
Secured 25%, like at like 7 pips.
Oh, okay, not bad.
But my partial TPs was at 11 pips though. So. If I look at this trade, was it on the, yeah, that on 30 minutes. So it's 8:12, 8:12, 8:12.
You rejected 250 very well, huh? Like you said.
I know, right on the dot, man.
Literally 255.
Yeah, this freaking QP, man. Oh, crazy. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. If we break this.
Ciao, Munir. Sûrement.
Bye, Munir. Bonne journée. Have a good day.
Commence à être vraiment nice le monde dans le pack. Started to be very nice. People were having.
Get some very nice people.
I feel like we're just ranging now.
Yeah.
Is your bottom wood though?
You should have a push in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, correct. Like 10-ish minutes, we should start to see volume.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got a feeling we're going to head down.
Yeah, I got a bad feeling also. I don't like it, but this level is still strong. If there's a moment that this level is going to be broken, it's now.
Yeah, totally.
It's now, but we'll see. I still believe that we're going to push up, but I have a really bad feeling. I'm like kind of mixed emotion right now.
The good thing is that you're not in the trade. So.
Oh, yes, I am.
You're holding?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I thought you got out of break even.
No, he's in the trade.
No, I closed 25%. And
oh, I thought you took 25% at 25.
No,
everything at break even. Oh, you're holding it. Okay.
No. Yeah, I'm holding
My
it.
bad. Sorry.
No problem. No problem.
I mean,
yeah, I'm waiting for that 30-minute to do something.
And you got the stop below the 30-minute?
Yes, below the previous 30 minutes. Yes. So I mean, if it closed bearish, of course I'm out. You know, but I'm gonna wait to see what this candle does. I only have like a very small position, so that's why I'm holding, you know. I'm not risking much here. Come on, GJ.
If this flips bullish, though, clearly I think you're right. We're going up.
Yep. Yeah, if we're going back up for that last 15 minutes, I mean, I'm probably going to enter another position.
Oh, for real, that looks like a retracement to continue higher. We'll see, we'll see.
11h37. C'est-tu ce que j'ai entendu? 11h37. Non, il est 8h17.
Ici, Sacha, je suis en France.
Je sais, je fais exprès. Mosan, hello everyone. Hello, buddy. All right. Let's see what this 30-minute does. It's not looking good right now.
Yeah, that 15 minutes rejected quite hard.
Yeah. I mean, for this to continue up, we need to respect the previous low. If this gets broken, of course, I mean, we're going down now. But again, this 139 even, I mean, it's a strong key level. So if there's a time it's going to be broken, it's now. It's now or never, you know, it's just like, or at 9:30. But I really thought that we were breaking this, man. It sucks. Oh, well, oh, well.
Funny thing is, like you say, it's a very strong support area and almost a daily low as well there. So it gets to be harder.
Yeah, and if you look, the previous daily here respected previous low. We broke previous high. I mean, this one broke previous high. But the only thing that scares me is on the daily. I mean, that daily doesn't have a bottom wick, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, should continue. I mean, 4 hours doing like trending up. I mean, everything's pointing to go up. That's why I'm like, God damn.
Yeah.
If 139 wasn't there, it looks like
Oh no, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure.
A beautiful short.
Yeah. But you got this support that's not far either, which is an H1 support.
Yeah, but remove 139, the line, and if you put down at 30 minutes and it closes like this, I would take it.
Oh yeah, if it closes like this, yes. Yeah. Yeah, you will have range. You will have like 17-ish pips. So yeah. But I truly believe that we're still into a bullish trend. I mean, yes, the intercession right now is bearish, but I think we reached the point of coming back up, right? This high was created, so we need to create a support to retest the high. Okay. Again, those two trades that I took so far, I mean, if it doesn't play out, I will not regret anything because they were not stupid move. They were not impulse. I mean, they were very well planned, and like I said, the only thing though, it's this. I'm going to keep that in mind. That 0.50 when it's, I mean, I was right at it, you know. So I'm really gonna note that. But except that, I mean, the rest made sense.
Yeah.
Rest made sense.
That half an hour
250 is a minor QP, so technically, I mean, especially with this time, I would expect it to break it. So.
Yeah, that half an hour candle closed nicely bullish as well. That's what gave me so much confidence as well.
Oh yeah, yeah. H1 as a, you know, kind of small body candle with a huge rejection. I was like, all right, this should give fuel to this candle to push back up, right? It did. It did, but went back down. So
I'm in a buy right now on GU.
On GU?
It retraced a little bit to my entry, to my first entry.
Oh, here we go. GU. Same kind of move.
Yeah.
Target right here.
So
yeah.
These laws are being respected, and also they create like a higher low.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, higher lows, lowers. Yeah, makes sense. So you see 823, I mean, should start to see some move. Whoa.
And it's flipping bullish.
I just add a position.
This candle should finish bullish.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise.
Yeah, this. Hello, you are in GJKK. My bad.
Perfect would be when if it closes bullish, I'd be more comfortable to buy now. There's the wick. So.
Yeah.
We got 5 minutes to go. Volume should start picking up.
You dynamic risk, Sash?
Yeah. Yeah, that should be good. I mean, everything makes sense. Like I don't see a sell right now.
I would see it lower though, not
yeah, like under this, yeah. Like under this zone, for sure. Right now, man, I think we reached the point of coming back up. You know, boom, 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 boom. See, this doesn't work good. Yeah, so I got this coming up, this coming down, this coming up, this coming down, and now we should be good to go.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
You know. Come on, baby, let me find. Come on, GJ.
Come on, GJ.
If it closed doji, of course, it's going to be a write-off candle. And
yeah,
should continue up after. EJ is flying. Oh, Hassan, let's take a look at EJ. EJ is definitely flying. Yeah, so hopefully you send that chart, right? You were looking for buys above this, and hopefully you were able to grab it, because right now you're already running into nice profits. You're running into what, 7 pips almost, so that's good. Waiting for EJ to close before entering a long. Okay, perfect. Yes. I mean, at this point, I mean, you want to close, come back down, create a support, and go back up, you know? So that would be the best move. Gary's back. What did I miss? Not much. I enter buy, but yeah. There's no wicks on the top, but I took it like it's the same kind of move that I had yesterday, you know, right here. So. Oh, Phil, officially muted. Phil, mute up, Phil. Okay, I'm gonna mute him. Yeah, so that's it. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Go back up, GJ. Go back up, GJ. GJ, GJ, GJ.
What are you going to do if it closes bearish?
What?
What are you doing if it closes bearish?
Oh, I'm not gonna close most of my position. Probably like 75%.
Okay.
There we go. So let's see if we can create a top wick and exit into, let's draw it. Yeah, sorry guys. Man, I need a Red Bull.
Got a nice cap. Falling asleep too.
So, je t'avais muté parce que j'entendais ta blonde qui avait beaucoup de plaisir.
Oh, what's up?
Je t'avais muté parce que j'entendais ta blonde qui avait beaucoup de plaisir en arrière.
My bad, man. We're packing up because we're leaving today for Newfoundland.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, son.
So tomorrow morning I'll be up with you guys around 5:30 because it's gonna be 7 up there.
There we go.
Yeah.
Finally, you're gonna wake up.
I don't know how you wake up at 5 a.m. and you for sure go to bed before 10 p.m. There's no way you go before 10 p.m.
You know what? The thing that's motivated me to wake up is there's many times I catch some good moves at those times. So that's why now I'm motivated to wake up.
Yeah, because it seems like these days I wake up and you guys already cut 10 pips.
Yep. The thing that still get me some confidence here that we respected previous low, we broke previous high, we're creating higher high and higher lows. So hopefully this one can respect the previous low and continue up, right?
Yeah.
So.
I know this girl.
Of course, this one, if this one breaks this low, of course, it's going to be all out.
No, it's over. This girl I know trades gold, and she always wakes up at like 2 a.m. to trade it. And I messaged her one day, and I was like, what motivates you to wake up at this time? And she was like, when you make 15 grand and it's not even 4 a.m., it motivates you.
True that. True that. All right, GJ, now it's time. Come on. New York Open. Should get some volume in there.
I hope we get it to the upside.
Yeah. And the thing too is, if we get up there like this week, it's gonna be fun, man. Because if we get above 140, man, it's gonna be a clean range. Like, look at this. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. I can't wait to go play in those range. Man, I'm tired of this, you know. Well, lately it was not so bad, but man, we had a couple months in a row. It's just like brutal. Come on, GJ. Oh, this is a hard morning. I think GJ was like, Sasha, you had such a good win on Monday. Let's fuck you up a little bit. Man, that win was amazing yesterday. I was like, whoa. It's always good when, you know, showing up on the stream and you already won. It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. It's like my day was already done, you know, just like the only thing I was watching is my runner smashing my partial TPs after partial TPs. I was like, damn. It was pretty amazing. Come on, GJ.
Yeah, if we break 150, then that'll be a good sign.
Yes. Yes. Well, no, it's good. We created that bottom wick. We respected previous 30-minute low. I mean, H1 respected previous H1 low. H1 already broke previous high. So, I mean, we should flip bullish at this point, you know. We got 24 minutes left into the 1 hour and the last 30 minutes. So, and this 30-minute is flipping bullish as we speak. It's bullish on my broker, but man, Raja changed his picture? Jeez, it's about time. when with magic key partial, do you not set up a TP when opening a trade, then put partial afterward, or do you set them?
You know what? I just decided to close all my trade at 5 pips because I took this entry based on the previous entry that, en fait, genre l'entrée que j'ai pris en ce moment, je l'ai pris selon l'entrée que j'aurais dû prendre.
Ah, ok, je comprends.
Fait
Fair
genre,
enough.
parce que voyant le trade aller du bon sens, je me disais que tout, ben, je me disais que le trade que je venais de prendre a du sens, mais en même temps, je me suis mis à la place du moi, mettons, qui serait dans...
mettons, et tu l'aurais déjà pris, mettons?
Non, mais mettons dans 2 ans, l'exemple, puis que je trade avec bien plus, puis tout. Je m'aurais pas vu faire ça. Parce que si c'était parti dans l'autre sens, je l'aurais regretté. Fait que pourquoi même en discutant? Fait que j'ai juste closé live, puis je vais juste attendre d'avoir un autre setup.
C'est bien correct, man. C'est très legit, très legit.
Même si en ce moment, ça va complètement dans le bon sens, là, on s'entend, mais j'ai pas respecté mon entrée principale. Fait que tant pis pour moi, je vais juste avoir les yeux sur le chart.
Very legit. Finally, we see some blues. Finally, we get some blues. Man, hopefully Santa Claus bring me a nice mic so I can record some nice video for the course. I put a nice mic on my Santa Claus list. I'm just debating on if I buy a camera or this camera should be fine, I think. I don't know. I think this camera should do the job, right? Am I clear?
Yeah, pretty clear.
Yeah, all right. I should do it.
Looking good. It's looking good.
Coming back up after creating that bottom wick.
I thought of shorting it, but I was like, no.
Don't go against me, man.
Exactly. You said, don't go against the master. You can't go against him.
All right, so almost all my position. I got 3 position in blues finally. Got 1 in orange. There we go. All in blues now. Sweet. It's about time. Get me my money. Give me my money, DJ.
Let's get that 20. Come on.
Give it to me, baby. Baby. Oh, yeah.
Don't be shy, GJ. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Let's do this. I think, Sasha, I think you should start singing again.
GJ, GJ. Oh, come on. Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I don't have sound. That's great. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Can someone speak?
Hello, hello, hello.
No, I don't hear. Okay, hold on. Try that again.
Yes, sir.
Goddamn Zoom every time. Do that again.
Yes, sir. Hello.
God damn it. I don't know why Zoom does that. Here we go. I'm back.
Can you hear us?
Oh, yeah. As soon as I take out my AirPods, I don't know why. It's just like the sound card is just messing up.
I have my open calc open and my cat jumps on the freaking table with my magic keys. I almost pushed him on the fucking floor. Sorry.
Full margin, open trade by your cat. That would be some funny shit.
Very reasonable.
Come on, GJ. Come on, DJ.
That's it, DJ. We should blow past that 250 zone now, Sasha.
Now we're on the move.
50 minutes.
Now get your seatbelt on.
Are you looking for a full retracement on GJ?
Did I what? Sorry.
Are you looking for a full retracement on GJ back up to like 139,600?
I got entries right. I got entries right here, but I got 2 more entries right here. And my partial TPs is at 139,277. First partials is set at 11 pips. And after that, my final TP, I'm going to get my second partials right here. Like at 139,488 is going to be my second partials. And my full TP is going to be right here at 700. Actually, I need to set up my second partials. I knew it's going to be right here at 491 exactly. So.
No.
It's
yeah, I was gonna enter on the 15, trade, right?
But I opened up okay. I wanted to enter on that close, but I click open calc instead of open trade and it moved for like 3 pips. Oh, that sucks.
10 pips, baby. 10 pips.
Here we go. Here we go. On its way. I got one position on 9 pips right now.
Yeah, I'm out. That's my third trade. I think I'll walk away.
Yeah, I could call.
Come on, GJ.
Here we go.
Here we go, baby. Here we go.
Wow.
Chill, there's some runners, man.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Push
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Ice, push it.
I like it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there.
Oh, yeah.
Should break 2.5.
Yeah, that's it.
That's key.
Yeah, it is.
If we break it, then that's it. We're going up.
Yeah, we're going to 500.
Yeah, that's why my second partial is at 491. Come on, break this high. Come on, baby. Break that 250.
245.
You can do it.
You should be in 10 pips now, Sasha. 11.
Oh yeah, I got two position at 12. I got one at 9 and one at 7. But my partial is set on my first. The partial is set from the first entry. So.
Okay.
So my first entry is at 7 pips. So I need 3 more pips actually.
Oh,
you know what? You know what? I'm gonna move my partial to 10 pips instead because I got.
Yeah, that 250 is just proving to be a nightmare.
So. Oh yeah. So right now, if I put it at 10 pips, I would have TP. God damn.
Yeah, there's some volume coming in, but I think
that's fine. I'm gonna be fine.
Yeah, it's just the left area messed us about when we were coming down. Beautiful. 15 minutes looking good as well.
Yeah, I mean everything looks good right now, so should be good. I mean H1 broke previous high. I mean there's the nice rejection to the downside.
Yeah.
We just need to break this goddamn 250.
Yeah, but you know what? I never really used to see them, but you open my eyes to them now. Now I hunt them, quarter points.
Yeah, quarter point. It's something I'm gonna explain also more in details in the course, and maybe we'll do some free webinars also, and All right, so my partials now is at 139, 239. So hopefully you can get back up there. You should. Come on, baby. Here we go. Here we go, baby. There we go. PTP it, baby.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice. Good job.
Yes.
Beautiful.
PTP it. Yes, baby.
Yeah, and it just tapped into the queue.
And
oh, there we go.
Oh, second account. Second account got PTP it also.
Look at that.
Nah, it's gonna go to 32.
So my live account and my funding time account hit PTP.
Amazing.
We broke previous high. Now we're going straight to 500, man.
Yeah.
That's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna delete that.
Yeah. Next time I'll leave some runners.
Yeah, 10 pips here.
So let's celebrate.
Mine just got hit.
Yeah, boy.
Atta boy.
Oh,
come on, dogs.
Right, it was never sell.
Yeah, baby. So Raja got the claps or the horn. I got the dogs. All right, so let's close. No, you know what? I feel like leaving those runners, man.
Yeah, leave something at least. 10%.
I got one lot of my 4 positions, so I got 4 lots running. So I'm gonna close like one here, and
If the 1 hour closes above 25, it's good for to 40.
Oh yeah, we need to close above 250, man.
Yeah, on the 1 hour.
Yeah, we need to close above 250, and that would be amazing. So I closed 2 runners at like 15.6 and 16 pips, and I'm gonna leave 2 runners of 1 lot to run to hopefully 491.
Oh,
Looking
that
good.
15-minute ripping. Huh?
Looking good. Yeah, man.
Nice.
EJ looks like it's going now.
I'm
sorry, Gabriel, was I?
EJ.
Let me take a look.
I took my entries in on the wick down.
Oh, nice.
You took your entry on the retracement?
Yeah, on the wick down, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Now you're gonna make sure that we break the zone though. If it breaks, you're good to go.
I feel like it's gonna make new daily highs, I think.
Yeah, if you look on the daily. Oh yeah, you got this high now. But that can be a good target though.
Yeah, that's where my target is. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, good job, man. Oh, it looks like it's breaking right now, so should be fine. You got 7 minutes left into this candle, and if you break and close above here, man, you're up. You're good for a good run. Good catch, buddy.
Oh man.
Man, EJ moves slow, but when EJ moves, it does move. You know, look at those big candle, you know. Look at this.
See, that's exactly what I was waiting for, Sasha. On the 30 minutes, the bearish counter that was pushing a bit down when you entered in.
Yeah.
If it closed above that zone there, it was nice, and we respected the low. That's it.
Yeah, that's why I took more entries, you know.
Yeah.
I'm regretting my decision.
Bye, Ellie. Everyone needs to go. Thank you, Sasha. You're welcome, Ellie. Same setup as yesterday, literally. Yes, man. Almost the same. That's why I took that kind of buy. Oh, Jimmy.
Yeah, so that's my first stop, because j'étais censé prendre un trade ici. OK. Là, j'étais en train de positionner mon buy stop, sauf que c'est juste allé trop vite dans la direction. Puis là, j'étais déjà 3 pips trop haut pour prendre mon trade. Fait que là, j'ai fait « Oh, damn, j'ai plus d'entrée possible. » Mais quand c'est revenu, j'ai repris une entrée tout de suite ici.
OK.
Mais comme techniquement, là, tu sais, on a monté jusqu'ici. J'ai close ici, en fait. Mais je me suis dit, man, si mettons, je me vois pas plus tard faire une affaire comme ça. Fait que pourquoi je le ferais là?
Non, je comprends, ça fait du sens. Mais c'est correct, puis regrette rien, man. Regrette rien, parce que je pense que la décision que tu as prise, c'est la bonne, pour être honnête. Puis oui, c'est sûr, ça fait chier quand tu le vois aller dans ta direction, mais regrette rien, parce que je pense que tu as pris la bonne décision, pour être honnête. Tu as pris la bonne décision pour toi, puis pour ton plan, puis pour ta continuité dans ton trading. Tu comprends? Puis c'est ça qui est important.
Ouais, exact.
Tu sais, le reste, on s'en fout, man.
C'est pas avec ce trade que je vais être millionnaire, c'est avec l'accumulation.
Exact. So we got 4 minutes left into this 30-minute and this 1 hour. It's a very nice big bullish candle. So, I mean, I just want this candle to close above 250.
So I know we don't look at the 15, but look at the 15. That's kind of what gave me like convinced me to enter
Oh yeah, this one
right there.
Yeah,
beautiful setup.
I kind of broke the minor resistance. Whoops. Kind of broke this minor resistance here. So yeah, for sure, if you trade on the 15, that would be a good indication.
I don't, and I want you to think I trade on the 15, but
I know, but if you look at the 15, I mean that made sense, you know.
Yeah,
that makes sense. But now it looks like, please do not reject this thing. 3 minutes left.
If it's closed with rejection, it looks like a retest to go down, I think.
Just need to close above. But at the same time, I mean, probably gonna leave a little wick here, you know, so. But yeah, I mean, everything makes sense to continue up. Look at 4 hour, man. Huge rejection.
EJ hit my take profit.
Oh, good job, man. Good job. Do you want? We're gonna play the song again.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Dogs are eating today.
Look at the, if you look at the daily on GG2, I agree. It was better to be on a buy than a sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's the same exact. If you look at 15.
Sorry, Arjun, I'm gonna mute you. There's a background noise.
Moi, je vais vous quitter. Passez une belle journée.
Ciao, bonne journée. Bye bye.
I was gonna say, Sasha, if you look at the 15 minutes, just for a second.
Yep.
You see the move that we created going down, and we broke that minus resistance. It literally happened as we're going up.
Yeah.
Just amazing, man.
Yep. You know, it's amazing when you start seeing those kind of thing and understand like how candle prints, you know, how markets prints those candle. And when you start to get it, man, you see some stuff. I see stuff that I wasn't seeing like a year or 2 years ago. And I was like, Jesus, now it's just, I see stuff so much clearer. It's just like, I don't even know if you can say so much clearer in English, but I just said it. So, all right. So that's good. That's good. We're good. We're good to go. We close above. Let's see that. We might retest a little bit that 250 and that should be normal. But next target now, 500. So mine's at 491 just to make sure. And yeah, man. That's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting, my friend. I have two runners.
That was a good rise.
Yeah, we already broke previous high. So
yeah, like you said, we should retest the little QP first, and then we're going for that.
This come back to, and I know I'm gonna sound like I repeat myself a lot, but this goes back to trust in your freaking analysis and trust in yourself. And that will make sense because there's a lot of people that would have exit here, right? On this candle. Yeah. But I kept on saying, and I said that, I don't know how many times, but I said, I still think we're going to push back up. I think we reached a point that we're coming back up. This trade here, I was just too early, you know? It's too bad because I was just too early. But I mean, the thinking was we were coming back up. And right now, I mean, seeing this, it gives me so much more confidence again, like day after day right now, it's just like, it's crazy, you know, just like It's crazy. I got a couple losses there and there, but man, I'm so happy that all the time I put on the chart and it's finally starting to pay off, you know, just like it's good.
Yeah. When you start thinking, like you said before, when we say them, you can see now things way more clearer than a year ago. Now, after that, you start developing that mindset where you're waiting to see the same thing again. And if you see it, you just execute, you know?
Correct. You know, I mean, before I would never took a buy on this, you know?
Yeah.
But
you'll be worried about the resistance and supports around, you know?
Yeah. Seeing so much stuff, you know? So looking good, man. Those runners at 20 pips.
Nice. Should be at least 40, man.
Yeah, we should get there. So let me see. If I can do a story with that song, that would be amazing. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, that's going to be amazing. Let's do this. And how can I put a song? Oh yeah, music. Ooh, let the. There we go, right here. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, you did. I'm so excited right now. This is my new thing now. This song. After. Come on, shut up now.
Running. Gosh, man. Shit. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Shit. But yeah.
Is Canada GDP news related? Not the GJ, no.
All right, 23 pips in that runner.
Nice. Yeah, I'm done now, Raj. Sasha. Thank you for that one.
Hey, you're welcome, Kasim. Good job, man, guys. If you got some pips, send me a small story. I can tag it to my story. That'll be amazing.
Definitely.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
All right, thank you, Sasha.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna end this. I got my runner running, and yeah. So we'll see if we can hit 490. I'm gonna put the song again, man. 491. I'm gonna be dancing in my office alone. So
Ciao, Sash.
All right, take care, guys.
Ciao.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you, Sasha.
Ciao, boy.
Ciao, boy. Ciao, Zane.
Thank you. Thanks.